What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna remake the awesome flower paracord bracelet, and we're gonna do so by using this pink Paracord 550, and we're gonna integrate these small paracord bits in the shape of a flower. So first we're gonna take the shorter pink paracord. The total length of a paracord is down below this video in the video description. If you want to learn how to create this awesome paracord Christmas tree bracelet, you have a full tutorial in the top right corner of this video, as many other tutorials. So first we're gonna take the ends of this shorter paracord and we're gonna find the center like this. Now when we done this, we're gonna take the longer end, and also by pulling the ends of a cord we're gonna find the center of it, and here we are. Now when we done this, we're gonna simply take, this is the shorter, this is the longer cord. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna start with the shorter cord. We're gonna take it and we're gonna create it the crossing like this, left hand on the right hand, and from here we're gonna take this longer pink paracord and we're gonna insert it from the top into the loop and then under, as you can see, and from here we're gonna take this end and we're gonna enter into the loop here, and we're gonna pull it, secure it, and by doing this we create the basic cow's hitches, as you can clearly see. Now we're gonna just rearrange a bit the cords, readjust the loop here. Now secure all this, and as you can see we have hidden the microcord into these ends here. Now from this moment we're gonna take the left and the right. This is the shorter cord we are using, and we're gonna cross it under these two working ends, so like this, one on top of the other, and from here we're gonna simply take this working end and we're gonna make it on top of this right strand cord, and we're gonna make it around, and from the back through this gap here pull it all the way through, and now we're gonna tighten it like so, and from here we're gonna make it under this strand here, so under, and now we're gonna put it on top of this strand and under this one here, so on top of this, under this, so between those two cords, through, pull, and now we're gonna tighten it and secure it. Okay, now we're gonna do the left side. So on this left side here, around, and from the back through, and now here under, and on top of this one, under this one here, and through. And here we're gonna take those two working ends and we're gonna pass it under this crossing here of these cords, so under, and also here, and now I'm gonna take the flower bead and insert the microcord through it. And from here I'm gonna make it under this one and on top of this. So here basically on top of this one and under this strand here. So we're gonna lock the microcord in place like so. And now we're gonna take this end, this right end here, and we're gonna make it from the top into the gap and around. And the same thing on the left side with the left strand. So around and from the top through. And we're gonna pull it. So again, we're gonna cross those two cords and repeat the whole process. Under, on top, around, from the back through, and pull it. So here we are, we almost reached the end of today's project. As you can see, the flower beads actually fits well into this type of a bracelet. So now we're left to finish it. We're gonna first cut off the excess of a pink cord here and here, melt it down. So as you can see, we finished our today's project. It's a very beautiful, very neat paracord bracelet. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and leave some comment. Also, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. So that being said, as always, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.